no eyelashes, which really sucks. It's really hard to look, I guess, not sick when I don't have any hair at all on my face. Yeah, it's been probably the hardest part of losing any of my hair. And yeah, it's also a really tricky one to put on, or, you know, hide or cover up, or, you know, low maintenance and manage without, yeah, requiring a lot of effort, which would really be just, you know, traditional lashes. But I was doing a bit of research online, just going through TikTok really, and I started following a local company, and they are called Youthphoria Beauty, and they make lashes. They make like adhesive, traditional adhesive lashes. They also do like a magnet type lash as well, with like a magnetized glue, which is really cool. But they reached out to me and they said, would you like to try a pair of adult lashes? We design them with medical hair loss, alopecia, at the forethought, so they're not designed to be sort of reliant on your natural lashes as an adhesive, as somewhere to adhere to. They can be used just when you have no lashes at all to assist. So they've sent me a pair of their modest lashes. So they look like this, they're really cute. They just look like, I guess, normal lashes. What I really like about them though, just from the first glance, is that the band is clear. I really hate a dark band, and when you can see like knots on the band as well, whereas these no, they look really nice actually. They're completely clear band, really fine band, which is going to really help because I don't want to have to wear them with eyeliner. I want to just be able to wear them and look natural. And then they've sent me some of their adhesive. So this is the Crystal Clear Adhesive Eyeliner pen, which is magnetic lash compatible. So they do have a range of magnetic lashes as well, but the ones I've got to try, I don't believe a magnetic one's just a normal one, but they are designed more to sit proud on the lid rather than, you know, be used attached to lashes. So I'm going to unbox this glue and just put it on, let it dry, see how it goes. Follow the instructions really. Guys, they're on. So this is my eye with some natural lashes already, and you can see super clean, super clear. And then this is my completely bald eye, and you can see there's like no gluey bits. It's just a clear line, no big thick band. It's sitting really nicely, and I was able to bring them all the way down to where my natural lash would sit, so I don't have a big ugly white gap between when you're looking at my eye. You just see lashes and then lid, not eye, lid, lash, lid. So really happy with how I was able to get that down. I'm just fiddling with the inside because the insides always stress me out. But no, I'm so happy with these. One thing I will say is this glue, straight up best glue I've ever used. And I'm not just saying that. I've used so many glues, and this is the formula that you like wish glues came in the first place, because instead of, you know, when you put it on, it's thick glue, even if it's the clear one or it like dries clear, like you still get like those balls of glue, and like if you peel it off, it like becomes like a big bit of rubber, and then you get like little bits. And anyway, this doesn't do that. I pulled this one on and off like a couple times just to get it right on the, like, just above the waterline, and it just would pull off like it was, I don't even know, it was like normal glue. And I was able to pull it up, pull it out, pull it up, pull it out. Stayed tacky. It didn't lose any of like its strength or integrity. It didn't go bally. Oh my god, like if anything, even if you're not worried about new lashes, the glue